first objective that I have is to give you the ability to excel at stock market investing. Secondly, I'd like for you to possess the knowledge to create financial freedom. Thirdly, you're going to be more confident in your ability to build wealth. And then finally, you're going to be positioned to build a lasting financial legacy for yourself and for your family. I want you to be confident. I want you to be knowledgeable. I want you to be able to build something for yourself and for your family. It's going to really create a sense of confidence in you when you can watch the news, when you can listen to CNN, when you can watch MSNBC or CNBC, or you can listen to Bloomberg, or you can watch videos on YouTube or Facebook and read articles and know exactly what strategies you need to do to take advantage of that to make money. Okay, that's gonna really create a sense of confidence when you can take a $5,000 tax refund and turn it into $10,000 in 3 months. That's going to create a sense of confidence. And once you learn how to do it with $5,000, you can do it with $50,000. Once you learn how to do it with $5,000, you know you can turn $5,000 into $50,000. So that, my friends, is the objective of this program. One thing I will promise you is this, is that if you spend at least 30 minutes each day digesting the information that you're going to receive from these modules, if you spend 30 minutes per day reflecting on and really intimately understanding what it is that you've received, I promise you, it will pay you dividends over the course of your life. You have to take initiative. It's just like playing sports. When you're trading stocks, when you're becoming a better investor, it's like playing sports. You get out of it what you put into it. Practice makes better. Okay? I think it's very important for you to see someone who's actually succeeding at what they're saying instead of someone that's just doing a lot of talking. Okay? So I show you my account so that you can be inspired by and confident enough to go out and execute it yourself. Okay? And it's like anything else. You got to put your pinky toe in before you put your foot in, before you put your entire body in. Okay? So it's a process. And the more you go through this program and the more questions you ask and the more practicing you do, the more confident you'll be. And eventually you'll be in a position where you can begin to go out and take advantage of the knowledge and information that you learn in this program.